children, welcome to online class. Today's class we are going to continue the lesson Hobby Turns a Successful Career, section 2. Ajay Kumar Gaur is a very talented young artist. He lives in Jaipur, India. His childhood was going well until he suffered an injury at the age of 3. Ajay was treated, but that treatment left him permanently deaf. His parents tried several hospitals to cure his impairment, but it did not cure him. His father once bought him a paint set to play. Ajay started to paint happily. He painted on the walls, floors, etc. He looked happy. While using the paint set that was gifted to him, soon Ajay's father realized that Ajay was talented in painting. When Ajay was 5 years old, a court artist of Dholpur, Rajasthan, Sri Shivalal saw his painting and was very impressed with his work. He then took Ajay and started training him. Ajay Kumar Gaur, a very talented young artist, lived in Jaipur, India. He suffered an injury at the age of 3 and became deaf. His parents tried many hospitals to cure his disability, but it was useless. Ajay used to paint on the walls and floors. Realizing his interest in painting, a court artist of Dholpur, Sri Shivalal, started educating him in painting. Second para. After completing his education, Ajay tried tailoring, but that didn't make him happy, so he went back to painting. He became an apprentice of Asha Devi. She taught Ajay the old and dying technique of traditional Indian miniature painting. He mastered the technique of preparing colors and brushes and gained knowledge of the paintings. Soon he became an accomplished artist in the miniature style. He uses a magnifying glass and a single-hand brush for miniature paintings that depict Indian culture. Ajay is gifted in the practice of creating images on a grain of rice. Here, miniature means very small of its kind. Accomplished means fulfilled. Magnifying means enhance. After completing his education, Ajay tried tailoring, but he was not happy. So he went back to painting. Ajay became an apprentice of Asha Devi, who taught him the miniature painting. Soon Ajay became an accomplished artist in the miniature style. He was gifted in the practice of creating images on a grain of rice. Ajay exhibited his work and sold 144 out of the 150 paintings displayed. He continued to show his work throughout India, the United States and the United Kingdom. In 2004, Ajay was awarded a National Award of Accomplishment from the Indian President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Apart from painting, Ajay is also very actively involved in the welfare of people with hearing impairment in India, and he has been executive member of the Deaf and Dumb Association in Rajasthan. Here, exhibit means show or reveal. Ajay exhibited his work and sold 144 out of the 150 paintings displayed. His paintings became famous all over the world. In 2004, he was awarded a National Award of Accomplishment from the Indian President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Ajay also gives free training to hearing impaired children in Jaipur as well as children in an orphanage in Gandhinagar, Jaipur. One of Ajay's current goals is to revitalize the dying art of traditional miniature Indian paintings. Ajay's life shows us that we can turn our hobby or passion into a successful career if we are ready to learn and develop our skills. Dear children, find out the answer for true or false, which is given the book back exercise. Thank you.